When it comes to choosing a managed WordPress solution, the question often comes down to Kinsta versus A2 hosting. Which one offers the better service? Both promise fast speeds, excellent uptime, and strong customer support, but today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison to see which really delivers on those promises. Let's start with the performance of Kinsta and A2 hosting. Kinsta has a solid reputation for its speed, thanks to its use of Google Cloud infrastructure and optimized software stack. If you want a solution that can handle high-traffic WordPress sites without compromising on performance, Kinsta is a good choice. However, that doesn't mean A2 hosting is far behind. A2 hosting touts its turbo servers, claiming up to 20x faster load times than competitors. While Kinsta is fast, A2's turbo servers make it a strong contender if speed is your top priority. Next thing to consider is pricing. Kinsta's pricing is on the higher end of the spectrum, with plans starting around $35 per month. This can be a bit steep if you're on a tight budget or running a small site. A2 hosting, on the other hand, is more affordable, starting at around $10 per month, which makes it an attractive option for smaller businesses or personal blogs looking for good value without breaking the bank. While you get what you pay for, A2 offers decent performance at a more budget-friendly price point. Moving on to customer support. Both platforms offer 24/7 support, but Kinsta's premium customer service is one of its standout features. Their team is composed of WordPress experts, and you'll often hear about how responsive and knowledgeable they are. A2 hosting does offer solid support, but there are a few reports here, and they're about longer response times. In terms of sheer reliability and expertise, Kinsta tends to take the lead. Now, let's talk about features. Kinsta is packed with premium features, including free website migrations, automatic backups, and a built-in staging environment for easy testing. It's clearly built for users who prioritize high-end solutions and scalability. A2 hosting does offer a lot of similar features, but it also has more affordable plans that might lack some of the premium tools you'll find with Kinsta. A2 hosting does allow you to customize your plans to a degree, which could give you more flexibility at a lower cost, but you might end up missing out on some of the more advanced features. Next up, security. Both platforms offer robust security features, including free SSL certificates and daily backups. Kinsta goes the extra mile with its advanced security features, including a proactive firewall, security patches, and two-factor authentication. A2 hosting, while still secure, doesn't offer quite the same level of advanced security out of the box. However, they do offer a hack scan feature to protect your site from malware, which is a nice touch. The fourth thing is scalability. Kinsta shines in this department, especially for businesses that expect to grow. Their platform is designed to scale with your site, and their higher-tier plans can handle even the most resource-intensive websites. A2 hosting, while scalable to an extent, might not be as robust when it comes to scaling for large sites or heavy traffic. So, which one should you go with? Both Kinsta and A2 hosting are solid options, and each has its strengths. If you're looking for top-tier performance, fantastic customer support, and premium features, Kinsta is hard to beat, but it comes at a higher price. If you're more budget-conscious and need a reliable managed WordPress host that won't break the bank, A2 hosting might be the better option for you. But here's the thing, after trying both Kinsta and A2 hosting myself, I've found a better alternative for anyone looking for more value with their managed WordPress hosting. If you're serious about getting the most for your money and a solution that delivers on all fronts, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this amazing offer.